Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate invoice due date in Excel. So you can see our data, invoice number, customer name, invoice date, credit days, and to calculate due date, select the cell is equal to, select the first invoice date plus select the credit days and press the enter. Then select the cell and double click on the field handle to calculate the due date for all invoices. And here you see all invoices due date here calculated. And next, highlight invoice due within the next week. So first select the entire column of due date, then go to the home tab, click on the conditional formatting option, then click on here highlight sales rules, then click on the date occurring, then here the small dialog box is open, then here click on this drop down arrow and select here the next week and then select here the color. So here you can select the different color also. So here I select the green field with the dark green text. Okay, see the color here change. If you want to change, select here the different one. Okay, and you can check the preview also here. The two invoice here showing. Just click on the OK. So this helpful. You can check the quickly upcoming due dates. Okay. So next, let's see the which invoices are already overdue. So here I add the status column. So I type here status. Then select the cell is equal to, type if, select the if function. Then select the due date E2, then less than sign. Type here today. Select the today function, bracket close, comma, double quote, type here overdue. Then double quote, comma, double quote, type here not due, then double quote, bracket close. Here in this function, E2 means due date. The due date is less than today's date, then status will overdue. Otherwise, not due. Okay, so press the enter and here see overdue status because today's date is 25 July and it is today less than today's date here. The first invoice date showing. Okay, so I select the cell, double click on this handles to fill below data, and here you can see all invoice is not yet due. So first invoice is overdue. So this is also helpful to check the invoices are already is overdue. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.